Publishing groups are a great tool for enabling your organization to craft customized course catalogs that can be made available to both your customers and other learn-on-demand system customers alike. They provide a wider range of control over your proprietary content and allow you to add courses to multiple catalogs without the need for duplicating course profiles. To get started using publishing groups, you can create a new publishing group from the publishing group link on the course tile on the site administration page or from the drop-down admin menu. This will take you to the Find Publishing Groups page. In the upper right-hand corner, click Create Publishing Group. If your organization was previously set up with content providers, you may already have publishing groups available to you. On the Create Publishing Groups page, you will be able to name your publishing group. You will be able to add a description. This description will only be visible to administrators, and to align the new publishing group to a sub-organization you have management over. The Availability tab will allow you to select organizations you would like to allow to have management over the publishing group. This will allow them to add their own courses to the publishing group. This does not give availability to the courses in the publishing group to these organizations. The Published Organizations tab will allow you to select the organizations you would like to make your content available to. You will have the ability to add organizations you have management over to this list. You will also be able to remove your content from the organizations you no longer want to have access to your content. Organizations can be removed by selecting the X next to their name. Once saved, that organization will no longer have access to your content. Removing an organization from the published organizations list will not affect any students who have post-class lab availability or currently running classes. Once your publishing group is created, you can start adding your content to them. Adding courses to a publishing group can be done from the Course Profile Availability tab. First, you will need to edit the course. On the Availability tab, under This course is available to the following publishing groups section, select Add Publishing Groups. This will bring up a search dialog box that will allow you to search for the appropriate publishing group. Once this publishing group is selected, click OK and then save the course profile. Multiple publishing groups can be selected and added to a course. Organizations can only have access to a course through one publishing group. If you add a course to a publishing group that is available to an organization that already has access to that course from another publishing group, you will receive an error. This course can either be removed from one of the publishing groups, or the organization can be removed from one of the publishing groups. This is to streamline billing and to avoid pricing inconsistencies. Some best practices for setting up publishing groups is to create an internal publishing group for your entire course of catalog. This publishing group should not be shared out with any outside customers. Once you're ready to make your courses available to other partners, we recommend setting up new publishing groups to make available to other organizations. This will allow you to add or remove courses specifically for external customers without affecting your own consumption. For partners with specific needs, we recommend creating tailored publishing groups just for these customers in the case that you may want to give them limited catalog or customer-specific content. When you are ready to share your content with other Learn on Demand Systems partners, we recommend reaching out to your account executive. They will get you set up with a content provider authorization form so you can begin offering your content to other customers. Partners that have a signed authorization form will be added to the specific publishing group. You can then remove the partner at any time without affecting students who have access to the content. For more in-depth instructions on how to create publishing groups, please refer to our articles in our integrated help. If you have any questions or need further assistance with setting up your publishing groups, please open up a support ticket and our support team can assist you. Thank you.